11.2 task 1 tells us that Miss Tran tutors students in mathematics. Her rate is shown here at $25.50 every hour. So that's kind of set, like, right? So how much does Miss Tran earn tutoring for any number of hours? So, right, our number of hours can change. So we're going to identify the independent and dependent variables. So the independent variable is the one that can change. It's all right. If you're independent, you're making your own choices, you're taking care of yourself. So, right, this one is making its own choices. She gets to choose how many hours she wants to work. And then if it's dependent, that depends on somebody else. It's already it's like done for you. So if you're the kid, you have to wait. Like if you're a baby, you have to wait for somebody else to help take care of you. So she can't make any money until she has worked some hours. So dependent is her money. So the money she earns is going to be dependent on the hours she chooses to work. So X is our hours, and then Y is the money. So she gets to choose the number of hours she works. So that is X is independent. It can change. She can work 3 hours, she can work 20 hours. She gets to decide how many hours she wants to work. The money she makes is going to depend, right? Depend on how many hours she chooses to work. It is dependent on this one, right? Independent, it is not dependent on something else. She can choose how many hours. So Y is the dollars. So Y will depend, the money she makes depends on how much she chooses to work. So now we're going to write an equation. So her total number of money was Y. Usually the dependent is the answer part of your equation. It depends on this to get to your answer. And she makes $25.50 every hour. How many hours is she working? Well, we don't know yet. So our equation is Y equals $25.50 X. She chooses to work 1 hour, she'll make $25.50. She chooses to work 30 hours, I would do $25.50 times 30 would tell me the dependent money she will make. So just remember, independent, it's the one that can, it's usually the first one. It changes. And then the dependent one depends on what the other one is going to do. You have to get that answer, right? So we have to know this one to be able to get this one here.